Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very rich home remedy. So guys can see this is cashew nut. I see cashew nut. I know you guys know the work of cashew nut in the body. Cashew nut is very good in the body. So I want to show you how to make juice of cashew nut. Some people will buy it like this and be chewing it, but to me I prefer the juice than chewing it. So I want to make the juice of cashew nut. So I want to show you guys so that anytime you buy cashew nut, if you don't want to chew in it, then you use it for juice. And it's very good in the body. It work many things in the body. Even this the seed also good. When they dry the seed and put it in the bottle, I think you guys saw it when they are selling it. Some people prefer it than groundnut because it don't have oil. If you are eating it, you are chewing it. If you buy the seed, the one that they fry, put it in the bottle selling it, if you chewing it, you won't have anything like pimples or rashes or anything in your face because it don't have oil. So some people prefer it than groundnut, and it's very expensive than groundnut. If you see the bottle, they'll tell you 4,000, tell you 2,500, 3,000. But this is the season of cashew nut. So if you want to enjoy it, this is the time you buy cashew nut. You can buy it plenty and dry the seed and fry the seed and do it the way then do the groundnut and put it in the bottle. And then after you remove the juice, so I will show you how to remove the juice, how to squeeze it and get your juice. And the juice is very good. It work many things in the body. It reduce sugar level, and again if it clear eye. If you have eye problem that you didn't read well, you didn't see well, or maybe something dey far you didn't see it well, when you take the cashew nut, the juice, when you drink the juice, always you clear eye. Even waist pain, if you are taking the juice always, you clear all those things. It work many things. If you like, google it and see it. It work many things in the body. So that's what I want to show you guys, so that anytime you buy your cashew nut, you know how to prepare it. We have red one. See, this one red pass this, but all of them is nice in this thing. So if you want to get the juice, you wash before you do it. Wash the cashew very well. Like this one now, I've already washed it very well. I wash it with salt, little salt in the water, and wash it very well before you do anything with it. So if you want to get the juice, you remove the seed like this one now. I remove the seed from it. After remove the seed, wash your hand very well. I've already washed my hand, but I'll still wash, so I'll still raise my hand. You wash your hand very well, then you pick it, still sitting. You squeeze it inside your bowl. You can see, you squeeze the juice inside your bowl. Squeeze it very well inside the bowl and see. After you squeeze it, you now wash. You carry your bottle water and pour them on it. Then you put it in your fridge. It's not freezer. Put it in the fridge so that anytime you want to drink it, if you want to enjoy it early morning, if you wake up before taking anything, your breakfast, just take a glass of cashew juice. When you take a glass of cashew juice, you see the work of it. Throughout that day, you know how all your body will be. Your body, you will enjoy yourself, you'll be free, you'll dey light, and again, you digest food. When you eat some food, when your stomach is heavy and didn't digest, take 1 glass of cashew nut. Take 1 glass of cashew juice. When you take, you can see how I squeeze the juice inside. Can see? Can see? When you squeeze it like this, then you pour it in the glass. You can pour it in the container and put it in the fridge. Then you'll be fetching it small, and take. It's very, very good in the body. So keep watching. So guys can see the juice. So I'll filter the juice. This is my filter. I'll filter it. Now I'll put it. Can see how the juice. Okay. I'll put it in a glass. This is the glass cup. Wow. So guys can see how cashew juice. This is cashew juice. So you take it. Wow. It's very sweet too. So this is how you do all of them. If you like, you put it in your jug or your bottled water and put it in the fridge and be fetching it small. Early morning, you can take it before your meal, before your breakfast. Then in the night, before go to bed, you can take 1 glass. Do it for 1 week. If you have any problem in your body again, maybe your eye, it didn't see well, you have waist pain, have maybe your sugar is high or all those things, just take it and see. Take it for 1 week and see the work of cashew juice. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to drop your comment, your sharing, and like. Please press that button that is there. You see all my video. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.